Hello friends, I'm going to teach you how to make gunshots with the Desmos calculator. This is very simple to do. So you go to open the Desmos calculator and you type there on top ceil, C-E-I-L. C-E-I-L is a ceil function. Then you put a bracket and put tan of x. Close the bracket and you will get a graph like this. Then you go to the wrench setting and you change the x-axis setting to minus 100 to plus 100. Minus 100 to plus 100. And you can put the step as 0.01 and this also y-axis also make it to minus 100 to plus 100. And change the step to 0.01 and please see to it that it is in radian mode. Don't keep it in degree mode, it will not work. Put it in radian mode. Now once you have done this, you will get a graph like this. This is the ceil, the tan function, ceil of tan function graph, and then you just go to press it and put here graph and you will get different sounds. Here graph. So these are the sounds you will get different, and you can increase the volume of this, you can increase the speed of this. So you can go to setting and increase the volume just like that to maximum volume. So you will get more sound, or you can go and increase the speed so you get a much higher frequency. Have fun guys, enjoy the graph, enjoy these gunshots.